I'm going to go over the online tab. I have the icon highlighted here. Games that go into the online tab are games that come from your normal games list, meaning your local system that you have pushed over to do online breakdown, or they are games that you got from your inbox and that you moved over into your online section. Your online section basically means that there is a copy of these games that I have in my list right here that only resides online. Now I may have a copy also in my games list, but when I clicked on the online section, it gave me another copy, meaning that I can use that data independently or overwrite any old data that I need to later. So I'll give you an example here of what the online tab does. And the main thing that it does is that you have an edit button right here. And this means that you can do online breakdown. So if I double click on this game to open it, it's going to load up my game data, and I can watch it normally just like I'm watching a normal game. Your ODK information will only be in here, and you'll not have your normal information. You're basically going to be watching it game order is what it is. There is no data with it. If you want to put data with it and actually break it down online, you have a couple of options. Your first option is to use your templates, and these are your templates that you create in Touchscreen Breakdown, or if you go into user preferences in your software, you'll see them in the user preferences area. So for example, I want to do play info for this one. It's going to give me the template that I saved and load it up for me. I'm going to go to another one, do field position. That's going to load that one up for me here. So I'm going to leave the field position one here for now. And I'm going to go to this game and I'm going to click on edit. As soon as I click on edit, it's going to reload everything for me. Once I click on edit, now I can come down here and actually break things down. So I'm going to go back down here into my field position and reload it. Go ahead and pause the video here for a second. And what I can do now is I can select, I want to see a certain team, so I want to see this team on offense when I break them down. So next, when I come down to my video, that's the only video that I'm going to get. You can see the black team now is on offense. That's the video that I want. So this play right now, it is first down. I'm going to click on tab to move to the next one. First down and 10. Looks like we're on the minus 22-yard line. Actually, I skipped hash, so let me go to middle hash. And then the play will be a run. And let's say we watch the play and the gain was 5. So if the gain was 5, when I click on enter and go down to the next play, it's going to automatically load from the previous play that it knows that it was a gain of 5, so it's going to make it now second down and 5. And now I can go here to the next one and go middle hash. Let's say this play was a pass, and let's say it was now an 11-yard gain. When I click on enter to go to the next line, it's going to give me automatic first and 10, and it's also going to put me on the minus 38-yard line. If I want to come in now and I want to change up my templates and my data layouts, it's easily done. I can come down here and I can do a play info. Come in here and I can type in my information. Or if I have that game, for example, this team pilot point, if I have them in my preload list, which I do not, then it would show you your actually preloads list right here of your plays, for example, formations or what have you. And then you also have your normal strong weak field boundary auto-filled in here for you as well. The other thing that the online breakdown does, it does the batch download, which is good, is you click on the download button. Once you click on the download button, it allows you to come in here and download multiple games. So for example, if I wanted to download the data and the video for these 3 games, then it would pull all of those down in that order. You can also go up here for your options. Most of the time when you do this, you're going to need to do separate folders by angle. And you can also select your download folder. So if you're going to put this on your server, you're going to put this on your video drive that you normally use for your server. Very, very crucial that you do that because, again, like in the normal games download, when you download your ODK and game data, you can import that in and actually not have to change video locations and tell it where to find its video because it will already be set up for you. Once you click on Start Download here, you'll see the progress of it. In this window, you can actually click off of it and let it run in the background and continue to do work in the software. And that is a introduction, or an explanation rather, of the online tab in presentation window anyway.